Hello friends, in this video we are going to show the review of Noise Colourfit Pro Smartwatch. In this watch we can get the shortcuts of heart rate, display, D&D mode and find the device. When we slide up we can get the steps counter and the tracking and calories burnt and the total of this. Here we can get the sports mode, heart rate sensor and the relaxed timings, alarm and music controller, stopwatch settings and sports record. In the settings we can change the dial shape like this. And in the sports record we can get the recordings of the sports activities. Here we can get the device information and here we can get the brightness. We can adjust the brightness of the watch. We can control the music when connected to devices. This is the alarm. We can set this alarm, heart rate, and in the sports mode we can get the trackings of walking, biking and hiking, climbing, treadmill, spinning, yoga, running and etc. In this bridge we can control the timings of relaxed time, 1 minute or 2 minutes. Here we can go to find device. Our devices will be vibrating. Now I connected the smartwatch to the mobile phone. Here we can see the everything, the tracking. Here we can get the steps counting, sleep counting and heart rate sensor counting. In the details we can get the details about the activities, sleep activity, heart rate activity, etc. We can get the full information, detailed information in this phone like this: Colourfit Pro, synced, firmware version, MAC address, app version, battery capacity. We can see the battery capacity in this one like this. Now it's 100%. We can control the smartwatch like this in the mobile phone. Call alert, sedentary alert, alarm, SNS, music control, heart rate detection, wrist sense and more. In this mode we can get the activity display like this, and device language it will be set by default or we can change like this. Heart rate zones we can custom here. D&D mode it's off. We can reboot the smartwatch by this, and then in the user we can get the details like this, and the target settings we can set the target settings like this. We can scroll this like this. Sleep target, weight, calorie, distance and all. We can get the personal info here. Here it's the system settings of the smartwatch. Unit settings, starting of the day, account management, cake, app version, privacy policy, etc. Thank you for watching the video. Please subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to get the latest notifications from our channel. Thank you for watching our video.